下午2點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警告，8號西北烈風或暴風信號喺下午1點40分發出，表示本港吹西北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下午2點，強烈熱帶風暴尼格集結喺香港之東南偏南約170公里，即北緯21度、東經115度附近，預料向西北移動，時速約10公里，靠近珠江口以西一帶。按照最新預測，預料尼格會逐漸減弱，但係喺今晚非常接近珠江口一帶，於本港以南約150公里範圍內掠過。本港今日稍後將會由吹偏北風逐漸轉為吹偏東風，原本受遮蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風。8號烈風或暴風信號會至少持續至今晚6點，隨後信號是否維持，則要視乎尼格嘅減弱程度以及其與香港嘅距離。與尼格相關嘅雨帶將接近珠江口一帶，預料本港驟雨今日稍後會轉為較頻密，海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島及長洲分別錄得最高持續風速為每小時62、48及44公里，最高陣風分別為每小時71、55同埋62公里。8號烈風或暴風信號防風措施報告，請繼續採取家中各項防風措施，將門窗鎖緊，若有橫閂應加上，將膠紙貼喺當風嘅大玻璃窗上，萬一玻璃破裂，亦可以減少損傷。請盡快完成清除渠道嘅落葉以及垃圾。請將車輛停放喺安全嘅地方。受風暴潮影響，部分低洼地區可能出現嚴重淹浸或海水倒灌，市民應盡量避免進入可能受影響嘅低洼地區，以及遠離危險地方。光管招牌嘅物主，請截斷招牌嘅電源。有關最新嘅天氣情況，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正之風暴消息。
2:00 in the afternoon, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 northwest gale or storm signal was issued at 1:40 p.m. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northwest quarter. At 2 p.m., severe tropical storm Nalgae was centered about 170 km south-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.0 degrees north, 115.0 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 10 km per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the area, to the west of the Pearl River estuary. According to the latest forecast, Nalgae will weaken gradually. However, it will be very close to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary tonight, skirting within around 150 kilometers to the south of the territory. Local winds will change gradually from northerlies to easterlies later today. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. The number 8 gale or storm signal will remain in force before 6 p.m. tonight. Whether the signal is maintained thereafter depends on the degree of weakening of Nalgae and its distance from Hong Kong. Rain bands associated with Nalgae will affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Showers over the territory are expected to become more frequent later today. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waglan Island and Chung Shou were 62, 48 and 44 km per hour, with maximum gusts 71, 55 and 62 km per hour respectively. Precautionary announcements for the number 8 gale or storm signal. Continue to exercise all precautions in your home. Lock all windows and doors, insert reinforced shutters and gates if they are available. Adhesive tape fixed to large window panes in exposed positions will reduce damage and injury by broken glass. Drains should be cleared of leaves and rubbish as soon as possible. Park your car where it is safe. Owing to storm surge, some low-lying areas may have serious flooding or backflow of seawater. You should avoid going to likely affected low-lying areas and stay away from dangerous places. Owners of neon signs should switch off the electricity supply to the signs. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours at 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。